Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Get ready by placing your phone and TV on the same Wi-Fi network. Sign into the YouTube app on both devices using the same Google account. Keep your phone unlocked and open the YouTube app before you start. If your phone prompts for camera access, allow it to scan a QR code. Keep the TV app visible on a clean screen area for easy scanning. This setup usually takes less than 1 minute to complete. On your TV, open the YouTube app and go to Settings to find Link with TV or Watch on TV. Select Show QR Code and keep the code visible on the screen. On your phone, open YouTube, tap your profile, then Settings, then Watch on TV, then scan a QR code. Point your phone camera at the TV QR code and hold steady until the app recognizes it. The scan usually completes within 5 seconds on a clear display. After a successful scan, your phone shows a confirmation, and the devices pair automatically for casting. Start playback on your phone, and the video should appear on the TV within 10 seconds. If scanning fails, move your phone 3 to 5 inches closer and try again with a steady hold. Ensure both devices remain on the same Wi-Fi network and restart the YouTube app on either device if needed. As a last step, restart your router.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.